It's time once again for the Sephora sale, and I have some amazing product recommendations that I cannot wait to share with you. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you followed me for a while, you know that I always like to recap some of my favorite products from the Sephora sale and some products I'm personally going to be picking up. I have full reviews to most of these, but some of these are just splurge products that I have been saving in my cart for the Sephora sale. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. For years, I've been a fan of You to the People's cleansers, from their superfood cleanser to their superfruit cleanser. I was a huge fan of both of those, but the one that I'm currently loving is their supershroom cleanser. That's a little bit more of a splurge, but I have to say my skin loves the ingredients in this product. It's been my go-to day and night cleanser as the weather has been getting a little bit more warm, and it's a product that I only find justifiable when it is on sale because it is such a splurge product. Truthfully, one of the best softening and gentle cleansers for sensitive skin. I would really recommend picking up if you've been wanting to try this, because it is one of these products that has worked amazing for my skin, especially if you struggle with redness. It's been friendly for my acne prone skin, and it's also been a really beautiful balanced cleanser I would recommend. I've made it last. I've used it since I got it, and that's been, I think, about 3 months now, and I still have plenty left of it. I do think you can make this product last. I know I sure have tried, because it's just a cleanser that works amazing for my skin. Glossier's cleansing balm is one of the best makeup removing cleansing balms that I have seen because of the thick texture that it has. I always forget Glossier was not always at Sephora. When I was curating products for this video, I realized it was, and I had to talk about this product because, first of all, fragrance free. The ingredients were more suitable for my acne prone skin, coming from someone who has tried some cleansing balms and oils with a thicker texture that's caused acne. This product was a beautiful, personally acne safe product. I was really blown away with its ability to remove makeup, sunscreen, anything I was wearing throughout the day. It was just a simple go-to. It's still a little bit more expensive, but I love the convenient packaging. I love the thick texture. If you're someone who wears a lot of water-resistant makeup, this would definitely be a recommendation for you. There are so many hydrating products on the market. One that I have found that is very balancing for my skin, but more of a splurge, is Glow Recipes Prickly Pear Mucin. This is something I wasn't expecting to want to reinvest in, but as I used it and as I saw the magnesium complex in it, the balancing ingredients they included in here, I found it's just something my skin loves. It has a thicker, sticky mucin texture that could act as a good primer as it starts, but then as you start rubbing it in, more of a fast absorbing, easily layerable product that I feel like would be suitable for any skin type. Definitely more dry skin, but also if you're looking for an internal hydration with the balancing ingredients in here, that's when I would recommend trying it. There are so many mucin products on the market though, plenty that are more budget friendly, and I'm actually going to talk about another one next, but I still wanted to mention this because it has personally shown great results for my acne, and I will be picking up another one during the Sephora sale. Another hydrating serum that left a little bit thicker of a finish was Experiment Super Saturated Serum, which is so exciting to be at Sephora. I cannot wait to pick up Experiment and place my first order from Sephora from Experiment. I've always just ordered from their website. The super saturated serum has been a holy grail of mine forever that reintroduces itself in my skincare routine in the winter. It's more of a thick, rich hydration serum that I feel like would be best suitable for drier skin. I don't think oily skin would enjoy this product. The complex in here is unmatched. It utilizes a high concentration of glycerin, prickly pear extract, polyglutamic acid, amazing hydrating ingredient. Pro tip with this product, you can make it last a little bit longer if you go in on damp skin. I just tap this product into my face on damp skin, and that has been the perfect combination for me. I love this serum. It definitely is worth the value originally, but with the sale, there's no reason not to try it at this point. But if you thought I was done with Experiment Beauty, you were wrong. Since their entire line is at Sephora, I could really recommend any product from this brand. I do also want to talk about a gentle cleanser that would be a milky, more sticky texture and more intended for dry skin, which is their plasma wash. It has a thick, richer ability to cleanse the skin in a balancing way. It is amazing with the high concentration of glycerin in this formula, and also gentle cleansing agents that worked well to remove makeup, sunscreen, anything I was wearing throughout the day. That is when I felt like I used this cleanser best. It is more of a winter product for me. I still love it any season though, when my skin is sensitized and I'm needing a little bit more of a gentle cleanse. Finally, ectoin is an ingredient that I have seen in a lot of skincare products recently, but I wanted to bring up Experiment's Molecular Mesh Moisturizer because it has been the perfect moisturizer for me recently. I never feel like Experiment's formulas are overpriced. I honestly don't know how they're able to sell them for the price that they do with the great technology and the great ingredients in them, but still, you might as well take advantage of the Sephora sale and try out this moisturizer if you haven't yet, because it is so skin barrier supporting, creates almost a second skin-like finish to your face or wherever you use it, and it is a perfect moisturizer for me. I use it more at night in the warmer months, but I like using it both day and night throughout the colder months because it is so skin soothing and also nourishing. My redness truly doesn't stand a chance for this moisturizer, and it's really unique. Has a thicker, tackier texture, but nothing too greasy, and that's what I love about it. It is perfectly balanced, which is great for someone like me with combination skin. American Chemical sunscreens are not my favorite, but I do like Dr. Idriss's Major Fade Disco Block sunscreen for the technology they use in here to help brighten up discoloration while also preventing future discoloration with the sunscreen in this. I love this formula. I love this technology. It's pretty lightweight for an American Chemical based sunscreen. It creates a great SPF 50 level protection in a more lightweight form and has been the perfect sunscreen for when I'm struggling with discoloration and I'm wanting to protect my skin but also treat it at the same time. A little bit more expensive for a sunscreen, but I would recommend it situationally, especially if you struggle with a lot of dark spots or discoloration. If you're struggling with dry or dead skin on your lips, I'd recommend using Dr. Idriss's barrier-based exfoliating AHA lip treatment as a gentle liquid exfoliant to exfoliate the dead skin cells off of your lips. I'm not a fan of lip scrubs. This product has taken over that for me and has been a really light way to do that. I use this personally at night underneath a lip balm. You could go in with Dr. Idriss's lip balm. I personally have others on this list that I like better just for the price point, but still any lip balm will do. I like going in with this as an enhancement to help exfoliate the dead skin cells off, help improve hydration of my lips, and also help with rough texture and that rough skin that you get around the lips. I struggle with that so bad, especially as we get into the colder months. This product ensures that I don't struggle with that as often as I usually do. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to incorporate vitamin C into your skincare routine, Dr. Idriss has you covered with her Major Fade Gel Cream. This is more lightweight, could be used as a final step moisturizer for oily skin, or you could use it as a more moisturizing, gentle derivative of vitamin C. I love the technology in this formula, not only to brighten the face, but also hydrate the skin and create a beautiful lightweight finish. Dr. Idriss's formulas are more expensive, but from what I've seen, worth investing in. If you've been wanting to try it, the sale is the perfect opportunity to do so. I also have a few other Dr. Idriss products that I'm wanting to pick up. Those are my personal current favorites that I'm going to be picking up during the Sephora sale. My holy grail lip balm is Topical Slick Salve. It is minty, which I enjoy because of the fresh finish and smell that it gives, but also I love the skin identical ingredients they included in here, along with the rich yet balmy texture that's not too heavy for the lips and gives a long lasting nourishment. My least favorite part of a lip balm is when it fades too quickly, and I've never experienced that with the topicals, and I found that it continues to hydrate my lips with every application, and even after it absorbs, I notice my lips to be more hydrated. That's why I'd recommend it. Also one of the best values for a lip balm. balm as well. Banu is a new line for acne prone skin. The AHA and BHA blemish serum caught me off guard with how much I would love it because of the addition of succinic acid along with the gentle AHA exfoliants and the gentle BHA in this as well. It didn't cause any dryness, had a really lightweight texture, but also was balanced where I feel like any skin type could use it. Succinic acid is one of my favorite ingredients for acne prone skin, and I feel like the blend they have in here is really complimentary of how gentle their line has been. I wasn't personally a fan of the other products. I liked the cleanser, it just wasn't something I'd invest in over the other cleansers I mentioned. The sulfur spot treatment pilled and wasn't my favorite. I feel like the biggest investment that I would get from the Sephora sale from Banu is their acne serum. It is fast acting, extremely lightweight, and just a gentle acne serum that I feel like was perfectly balanced for the skin. Lure is a new fragrance brand to Sephora, and I am obsessed with their disfruita fragrance. It is so complex. It has a fruity note to it with sandalwood and a musky tang. I just cannot get over how obsessed I am with this fragrance. I save it solely for when I'm going out. I want to remember something because it is so special to me. The packaging won me over. I can't lie. I'm a sucker for great marketing and great packaging. That's what they give with a more budget-friendly price compared to some of the fragrances at Sephora. I have paid upwards of $300 for fragrance before. Not the proudest to say that, but moving from that, $80 was better, but still I'm going to be picking up the full size of this fragrance. I am obsessed and I cannot wait to get more of it because it's something I feel like I will want to smell like forever. It is just such a signature fragrance. I already have so many great memories attached to it and I cannot wait to create more. I have been outspoken about how much I didn't enjoy the rhode glazing mist, but that was not because of performance. It was solely from the price point. I have to say, performance-wise and the finish it gave to my skin was unmatched. I love the ectoin in this product and I feel like it's what really made it stand out from other soothing face mists on the market. And so why not pick up this product and splurge when it's on sale? That is personally when I'm going to be using it and getting it because I do know some better hydrating face mists, but when it comes to the soothing properties paired with the glow that it gave, it's just a splurge product for me. Listen, always lets you know where I would put my money, and sometimes if I like the way a product leaves my skin, I will invest in it more. That's why I'm going to be getting this during the sale, but that's just because rhode is also at Sephora now. They don't offer many sales, if they even offer any. This may be the first sale for rhode. I don't recall there being any sales, so that's the perfect opportunity for me to personally take advantage of this discount. Eadem has a really gentle cashmere peel exfoliating toner that is AHA and PHA combined with tranexamic acid, azelaic acid. They loaded down this product and it is really effective in terms of benefits I saw with it more long term. The soothing and nourishing ingredients I feel like make it stand out even more because it has a softening milky texture to the face. It's also a great all over exfoliant as well. It's super light, so the milky texture is not too much, but still delivers a nice hydration that I feel like could counteract some of the dryness that comes with the actives in this formula. Sincerely Yours is a new skincare brand to Sephora, and the product I found is most worth it is their cooling mist. It has cucumber to depuff and refresh the face, but also has a nourishing and soothing complex that I found to be really effective for the skin. It's not a terrible price point. The mist dispenser is also very fine, so you don't go through this product very quickly, but I've been refreshing with this product when my skin has been irritated, and I would personally recommend trying out this from their line, at least so far from what I've tried. It is seeming to be the most worth it, at least at the moment. The lightweight simple sunscreen that I'm loving right now is Beauty of Joseon's Day Dew Sun Shield. This is not the most special sunscreen, and I didn't pick it for that reason. I more picked it for someone who's just looking for a really light yet nourishing American chemical based sunscreen that has a simple formulation attached to it but yet does everything a sunscreen needs. I loved that Beauty of Joseon launched their line at Sephora with this product, and I felt like it was extremely worth it. It's just a sunscreen that I find myself wanting to use every day. It's a day-to-day product that's easy, worked for my acne prone skin, and delivered a great level of protection against the sun in a lightweight way, which I felt like made it the perfect sunscreen for me. Let me know what products you are going to be picking up during the Sephora sale. You can also let me know if you want me to pick up any more products. This was pre-filmed, so I haven't placed my order yet. If you're wanting me to try anything specific from Sephora, please let me know. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.